This is Avinash. I represent a company Mahati Market Essentials, which is predominantly a baby which has taken shape and also birth last year thanks to pandemic. I think this is one of the biggest advantages I think what pandemic has given to us. Mahati Market Essentials is primarily into conducting exhibitions, business conferences, and virtual and hybrid events. We have partnered with one of the best technology platforms, and together we have successfully completed more than 16 plus hybrid and virtual events in last 6 months, where people industry have been thinking what happened in last 6 months to the industry. We have been blessed with the other side of it, where a lot of positivity and learnings have come. Now today, I thank all our media partners, I thank all esteemed guests and also our industry friends and colleagues who have taken their valuable time and be part of our maybe new initiative what we are taking in 2021. I thank everyone for being here. This was one of the initiatives where we thought, why real estate? A company which is primarily into events, company which is primarily into technology and trying to make a marriage with the technology and events. What was the real estate connection? When we were trying to see that one of the industries which was expected to be the most hit industry in pandemic, which was real estate, but surprisingly Hyderabad was one of the most stable markets. In fact, Hyderabad has seen a lot of better sides of real estate, where we have seen a lot of projects getting introduced, a lot of builders have taken their time and maybe come out with new innovative projects. And Hyderabad has been having an equal balance of buyers and suppliers market. We thought it could be a good opportunity for us in 2021, where we can come out with a hybrid model exhibition, which would be first of its kind, exhibition, an event which will have a physical exhibition as well as a virtual exhibition, which never happened in the world so far. And now in real estate, it would be a trendsetter and a benchmark. What matters is like today we are going to see 2021 is already a game changer. A lot of people have innovated themselves. A lot of people have transformed themselves. And even we would like to adapt those technology and transformations and see. I thank everybody to come and be a part of this journey. Today we are having a launch of our brochures as well, and officially going to declare the event open, which is going to get scheduled, which is going to be on February 5th and 7th at Novotel HICC.